Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapte, and it's so good to have you here. And today I have two skincare products that can target multiple skin issues, especially premature signs of aging. These are going to protect your skin and it's going to fight dullness, dryness, wrinkles, fine lines, pigmentation, and these are very time tested and they have really good scientific backup behind them. So I think by now you know which are the things I'm going to talk about. Yeah, first is retinol, second is sunscreen. These two actually play a really important role in targeting the signs of aging, and for that I had these two things from Foxtale. One is their vitality retinol night serum and another is their mattifying sunscreen. Let me talk about this one. So this retinol serum from Foxtale contains 0.15% encapsulated retinol. Encapsulation means the active is slowly released in the deeper layers of your skin and activates in the deeper and targeted layers. It makes sure that active is more efficacious at the time of release than non-encapsulated actives. It also contains other good ingredients like cocoa butter, allantoin to nourish and support the skin barrier. The texture is very good. It is very moisturizing. When it comes to retinol, I'm scared that it's gonna cause me purging. But this moisturizing formulation, it makes sure that we have minimal chances of say irritation or purging, and I didn't face any skin irritation or purging from this formulation, and it actually feels so good. My skin feels hydrated, nourished. It also contains amino acid which can strengthen our skin barrier, because sometimes when we use actives our skin barrier can get compromised, and this serum makes sure that it has all the nutrients, all the ingredients that can support our skin barrier. And this is very easy to use, and I love the packaging. The packaging is very good, very convenient to use. And when it comes to retinol, vitamin C, I prefer pump packaging, to be very honest. And this one is a fragrance free formulation, and this serum can work on multiple skin issues. It can work on fine lines, wrinkles, improves texture, makes skin brighter and firmer, and also can reduce age spots, then pigmentation. Like I told you before, it has this beautiful creamy texture. I love how it nourishes my skin, and I have been using this at night twice in a week, and it has been working well for me. I just use 2 pumps of this product to cover my entire face. That does the job. Though the formulation is quite hydrating and nourishing, still it doesn't feel sticky or heavy or greasy. Generally, retinol is known for making skin dry, but it didn't dry out my skin or didn't make my skin itchy. Also, have noticed improvement with my skin texture. It is definitely smoothing out the complexion. And like I told you before, it has encapsulated retinol complex, which basically means you're gonna get maximum efficacy with minimal chances of irritation, which is really good. I have been using this serum for almost 2 weeks, so it's too early to comment on the anti-aging part, but it has definitely improved my skin texture. It made my skin healthier. I can see the glow, and this is different from many other retinol serums in the market because of this unique formulation. It has multitasking actives. Even the texture is so good, so moisturizing, because retinol can often make our skin dry, but this didn't. And winter is coming, and I'm looking for more hydrating, more nourishing formulations in skincare, and there I think it's gonna be a very good thing. Now let me tell you a few do's and don'ts. So beginners, they shouldn't use retinol for more than 1 or twice in a week. So start slowly, and you can then use it say twice or 4 times in a week at night. And if you have sensitive skin, then you can use sandwich method. So this sandwich skincare method, I've spoken about this earlier. So what you're gonna do, so first you're gonna use a moisturizer, lightweight moisturizer, before applying the retinol serum. So after you're done using the moisturizer, then you're gonna apply the retinol. So basically you're applying retinol on the top of the moisturizer. So this is the second step, and the third step would be to use again a moisturizer after using the retinol. This is known as sandwich method, and it reduces the chances of irritation and purging. Especially if you have sensitive skin, this method is going to help you out a lot. And I like the fact about Foxtale that they have pointed out that this is not suitable for pregnant or lactating women, because retinol when you're pregnant is not like advised to use during that time. So it's very good that the brand, they have pointed it out here. So yeah, and when you're gonna use retinol, what you're gonna do, you're gonna use sunscreen. Not at night, obviously during the daytime, because retinol can make your skin more photosensitive. And for that I have this sunscreen. This is Foxtale's Cover Up Mattifying Sunscreen. So this is a very lightweight formulation that doesn't have any white cast, and it has this very good texture. So if you don't like that dewy, extremely dewy, creamy sunscreens, you want something lighter for the daytime, then you can definitely try this out. Again, the pump packaging is very convenient, and it has SPF 50 PA4+. It also has niacinamide, panthenol to strengthen the skin barrier, and they say that it's for normal to oily skin specifically, but I think it can work for all skin types, because when it comes to sunscreen, you have to apply quite an amount of product, and I have slightly dry skin and it works for me, to be very honest. So this sunscreen contains organic filters, and it also has mild fragrance. I love the texture of the sunscreen. Like I told you, it absorbs really quickly, and I have tested this under makeup. It works really well because of the texture of this sunscreen. And if you're looking for the sunscreen that can feel weightless on skin, then definitely it can be your pick, because many people, they don't like too much moisturizing, like too much creamy formulation when it comes to sunscreen. So this lightweight hydrating sunscreen can be your pick. I love how my skin feels really comfortable with this formulation. Even with the application, it doesn't peel or balls up. And niacinamide in this formula is gonna even out your skin. Even panthenol is gonna support your skin barrier. And sunscreen is a must-have if you want to protect your skin from tanning, from premature signs of aging, pigmentation. So yeah, never skip sunscreen when you need it during the daytime. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope these products, they help you out. And you can use my code SHAMAPTI15 to get 15% off on Foxtale products on their website. I'm gonna leave the links down below, and these are really nice. I am really loving these formulations, and they have really invested in the formulation, especially this one. This retinol one is my favorite. I mean, I have used many retinol serums, and few of those were quite expensive, and this is quite affordable, yet this can easily compete with those high-end retinol serums, to be very honest. I truly like the texture, formulation, everything about this serum. Also, the sunscreen is quite nice, very lightweight, easy to work with. So yeah, let me know if you try these things, how these things work for you, and I'll see you very soon then. Bye bye.